Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure both devices are ready, update firmware, and charge batteries. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the Gopro under Preferences Connections and immediately put your intercom into its pairing mode. Make sure the intercom is discoverable. You'll usually see a flashing LED. Now on the Gopro, choose Connect New Device or Pair Device. The camera will scan. When you see the intercom name appear, select it to begin the handshake so audio channels can be negotiated. Once the initial handshake starts, accept any prompts on both the Gopro and intercom to grant media or phone access. After pairing, go into the Gopro audio settings and choose the appropriate input, internal mic for helmet setups or external if you added a 3.5 adapter. Make sure the intercom profile is set to transmit media or accessory audio rather than phone only. If it doesn't automatically route audio, disconnect and reconnect the Bluetooth profile so the camera renegotiates the correct channels. Finish by recording a short test clip while speaking into the mic and listening through the intercom. This confirms both audio capture and monitoring work. If you see no audio, restart both units, clear previous Bluetooth pairings, then repair. This fixes most handshake errors. Also make sure devices sit within 1 to 3 meters and disable other nearby Bluetooth devices. If problems persist, update firmware or consult the intercom manual for mode-specific settings that force media audio routing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.